Hello, today we are here to test this wireless lavalier microphone system. Now I am standing 3 meters away from the camera. And you can see there is a 5-meter ruler on the ground. And I keep going further. Keep going. 10 meters. Keep going. Now maybe 50 meters. And now 20 meters away, approximately. Is there any difference in the sound? Hello? And I'm coming back. Keep going. Now this audio was recorded by Xiaomi inbuilt microphone. And now I'm also standing 3 meters away from the camera. And you can see there is also a 5-meter ruler on the ground. I keep